Full RPM here, guys. I'm looking for one lucky winner to win this beautiful 2024 BMW S1000RR with race and dynamic package, M forged wheels, quick shifter up and down, M endurance chain, a Kropovich exhaust, cruise control, and much more. So for your chance to enter to win it, head over to fullrpmeurope.squarespace.com.
Late night creeping. Lady,
girl, give me your everything. Make you my everything.
girl.
Wine for the thing. Wine up for the thing. Time up for the thing, girl.
I see you, brother. Don't worry. Don't worry. Sleepless time. Trying to keep my visor from fogging up. And I got the pin lock in there. But at this point, I don't know if I put it in wrong or not. Either way it is, it ain't working right. But it is cold out here, and I'm doing this for you guys. Hope you guys appreciate it. Hope you guys appreciate me like I appreciate you guys, wherever you're coming from. What's up, bro? Every streets, every church, every church, every lane. No, 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 no. Hey, forever hot on my block. I see you peeking, baby. Even if I left the gullet. It's even if me left the gullet. Big tune. Got on the Dainese drip. Laguna Seca 5. Shout out to Dainese. Shout out to all leather manufacturers. Whatever brand you prefer, whatever you think is the best, that's what's the best. Whatever fits you best. And that's how it go. I see you peeking over there. Sneaky peeker. Not the sneaky peeker. Yeah, the sneaky peeker. There's usually one at every corner. Look at this guy. That's why at night, you gotta keep in mind, especially if you're on a black bike. Especially if you're on a black bike, you gotta play the spots to be seen. Always ride to be seen. Never in the blind spots. Never in the blind spots. Alright, what's up, brother? Don't worry, don't worry. Don't worry. So you always got to pay attention, ride in the spots to be seen. Because he didn't initially see me. He saw me late, but I was already on to him. With the boss. Shout out my boys over here at Dainese, Berlin. What's up, baby? I see you peeking over there. What's up, baby? I see you.
And if you hear this on the go with your back, go with your knees, shake it to the max. Beautiful theater over here. Get a lot of people visited a lot. Make a lot of money out of there. I don't know how long it's been open. Maybe somebody that knows, hit the comment section. Tell me how long that theater's been open back there. Hey! I see you over there, Pop. Sorry. I hope they weren't saying anything to me because I couldn't hear them. Hold on.
Turn them heated grips down. Turn them heated grips down. Damn, bro. He's shaky on his bike. Real shit. Oh, because he got somebody on the back. See what I can pull over here. Let me go down this block here. Pull up down here. And they finish this building up really nice. Really, really nice back here. Hey. Let's let you check out the drip. Oh. I'll let you check out the drip. And there it is, man. 2024 BMW S1000RR. If you guys want to win it, head over to fullrpmeurope.squarespace.com. Donate or buy the merch. And you automatically enter the winner. Snow White, baby. Till next time, peace.
Full RPM here, guys. Make sure you like this video. Please share it. And most importantly, subscribe to the channel. If you want to win this 2024 S1000RR, head over to fullrpmeurope.squarespace.com, donate or buy the merch, and you're automatically entered to win her.